Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. So this is the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 121. If we start with this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 6. 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 5. No help here, 4, 5, 8. And no help here, 4, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. We've got 1, 2, and 6 here, so this is our 3. That 1 and 6 means this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 6, 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 6, 8. 5 and 6 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 5, 6, 8, 9. 5 and 8 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 4, 8. 1 and 9 here, so 4, 8. 1 here, so 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 9. Got the 1 and 5 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 8. And no help here, 4, 5, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. Got a 5 here, so 1, 4, 7. 5 here, so 1, 4, 7. 1 here, so 4, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got 1, 3, and 5 here. So this is our 7. 1 and 3 here, so 5. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. That 5 makes this our 4. Let's do some cleanup here. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7. All right. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. And we've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. No help here. 1, 4, 8, 9. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 7, 8, 9. 2 and 7 here, so 8, 9. 7 here, so 2, 8, 9. If we look now, the only place in that row that the 7 can be is here. And also with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. That means the only place the 2 can be in that row now is here. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. And I don't see any help. 4, 6, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 8, 9. And no help here. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. All right, let's do some digging here. For this column, the only place the 7 can be is here. Means we can get rid of this 7. This 4 makes this our 5, 4, 1, and that 4 makes this our 5. With that 1, we can get rid of this 1. With that 5, we can get rid of this 5. And looking at this box, the only place a 1 can be is here. This 1 makes this our 9, 1. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. In this box now, the only place a 9 can be is here. That makes this our 8, 9, 8. And that 9 makes this our 7 and our 6. Get rid of this 8, this 8, this 8, this 9, this 6, and that 6 makes this our 8, 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 4 and 6. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 4, 6, 8. Do more cleanup here. That 4 and 6 makes this our 5, and that means this is our 8, 5. And we've made another mistake. That's 2 days in a row, guys. Now we've got 2 5s in this box, 2 5s in this row. So that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day. Leave a comment down below if you saw the mistake, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.